about how can you fix this problem on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list here. Just switch into open video. And here can you looking for Tandem app. So in this list can you looking for it, or just use here search. So then here add Tandem. So just add it here. Then it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video. Click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.